गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरवे
My humble pranams to the lotus feet of our beloved Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba. Swami, we thank you for giving us this opportunity to present our gift of love to you. Om Sai Ram, dear uncles, aunties, brothers, and sisters. Today, in conjunction with Guru Purnima celebration and our center's 11th anniversary, we, the loving boys of SSPN Tamanyal, would like to present a short movie entitled Hello. Please sit back and enjoy our humble performance. It was a fine morning when Vinesh was playing PlayStation. Little did he know that today is going to be a very special day.
Milner! The referee spotted the infringement, and it will be a free kick in a position of genuine menace. And he takes on the shot. Well, the goalkeeper doing what he's paid to do.
While playing,
Liverpool
he received a
corner
call
given.
from an unknown number.
Pretty comfortable piece of defending. And with the goalkeeper. Naby Keita. Henderson. It is advantage Liverpool here. Wonderful chance. If spectacular goalkeeping is what you're after, David De Gea is your...
Hello? Huh?
Caught up. Please, love. This is not funny. Krishna, is that you? Or Rama? What? Old man. Crossing the street. I must save him. Look, seriously, who is this? Just hang up, okay? This is not funny at all. Seriously.
Vinesh is on his way to work. On the way, he met his friend Jerry.
Hey Vinesh! What's up, bro?
Hi, Jerry. How are you?
I'm fine, Vinesh.
How are things at Pavilion? Shifted yet?
Yes, Vinesh, we have shifted, but I tell you one thing is things are not so great at work. You see, my boss, alright? He was my project for the whole week, alright? And yes, as usual, today I'm late.
At that moment, an old man was crossing a nearby street.
Ayyo, Swami.
Hey! Wait! Hey!
Swami.
Hold on, uncle. I'll go get some water.
Okay.
Just relax, huh?
Thank you very much, Ayah, for being so alert and so kind. It's my tired old eyes. I didn't notice the car is coming. Thank you so much again, Ayah, for saving my life.
Thank God. Uncle, please be careful next time.
Uncle! Uncle! Here, have some water.
Oh, thank you, Ayah.
Slowly, slowly. Enough, uncle?
Thank you, Ayah.
Okay, uncle? It's all okay, uncle. Okay, I'll leave for now, uncle.
Ayah. You just look like my son, yeah.
Bro! Cakap lah you, huh? Quick reflexes, bro.
Thank God. But do you know something? I knew that this was going to happen.
Wait. Vinesh, what are you saying? Are you gone completely mad?
Well, you see, early this morning, I received a call from a voice saying that this was going to happen.
Receive call in the morning. Voice? What voice?
I'm not very sure, but it said God.
Bro, what are you trying to say, bro? I don't believe you, okay? There is no such thing as God.
Then how are you going to explain the situation right here?
Okay, alright. Look, bro, let's just drop this topic, alright? Let's talk about something else, alright?
Okay, whatever.
Huh?
Aren't you going to pick up the call?
Oh, yeah, sorry. Hello? Yeah. Who's this? Yeah. Yep. Okay, alright, bye.
God?
No, bro, it's just my bank reminding me for credit card payment lah. I wish it were God though.
In the meantime, many calls have been received by handphones all over the world asking them to carry out good deeds. More and more people are puzzled at the strange turn of events. Vinish's life has changed dramatically as he finds that the calls from God have taken him to many service projects, and the serving of the needy has brought him a happiness that he never had. What he doesn't realize is that there's going to be another strange turn of events in his life.
ஹலோ சொல்றா என்ன ஹலோ
My phone has not rung for this whole week. Why? God, is there no more work to be done? I do miss your calls. I wish I could call you. I really wish I could call you.
At that moment, he received a call from an unknown number.
My son, I trust everything has been well. I hope you have realized that service to man is service to God. You will not hear from me anymore. I know that you will find that there is a lot of work to be done everywhere, which you will be able to find if you look hard enough. If you ever need me, call this number 012-231-11926. Use it only in an emergency.
111926? Is it? Is there a number? Hello? Hello? Oh gosh, he's gone.
Meanwhile, a man was crossing the road when suddenly
Bro, bro, wake up, bro, 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 wake up. Oh no, no, bro, bro, bro. Oh God, what should I do now?
Vinesh panicked and he decided to call the number that the voice of God gave.
Hello?
Kumar. Corona Kumar.
Oh, sorry, I must have called the wrong number. I will call once more. Hello?
Hello, Kumar here. What do you want, Thambi? I don't have time, you know.
I'm sorry, I'm trying to reach 01223111926. Is that you?
Yes, that's my number. What do you want?
But I thought it's the voice of
Voice of? Voice of?
God.
Thambi, are you okay? Do you need any help?
Yeah, there's a man who met an accident. He's bleeding profusely. We need help.
Accident? Thambi, where are you?
Oh yeah, at Jalan Kelana, in front of the Stalin Cigarette Company.
Stalam Cigarette Company. Okay. I'll bring my gang here. I'll come. You wait there.
Ganga. Hello? You, I must have called a big time gangster. Bro, they must wake me up.
Mask, sanitizer. Vangada. It's time.
Boss, Ratno, boss. Oh my god.
Timaragaya. Thambi, what happened la?
ஸ்டாப் மச்சி நீங்கள் நம்ம கட்சியா நாங்களாம் தர லோக்கல்ல
Timaragaya. Hey, sanitizer, mask, come, help.
Boss,
Ah,
I taking him to hospital. Hospital taking him. Point or ta.
okay, path po, sanitizer path. Okay, you okay, ah? Hey, what you all doing, Ella? Asking him to bring him to the hospital.
சரிங்க
Ayyo.
சீஃப் வேணாம் கிரீஃப் பண்ணுவோம் ப்ரீஃபு Come on.
Timarakaya. Tami, it's okay, we all go lah. Hey, you all, it's okay, we go.
Boss,
we go.
Vena.
Hey, move. We all go. Tami, yeah.
Vinesh and Kumar brought the accident victim to the hospital. Kumar was waiting anxiously for the doctor's report.
Hey, Thambi, what happened lah?
The doctor said we need 50,000 for his operation.
50,000 now. So, what do we do now? Did you contact anyone from his phone?
His phone I sent to repair. His phone is broken.
So, how now?
There's just one thing I don't understand. I've been receiving calls from God saying that I should do service, but the last time I received call was your number. He gave me your number.
Actually, Thambi, I also was receiving this kind of calls, at first, I thought it was my phone, problem, China phone, right? After that, we started to hear what the voice said. We began to do good, and now we are more happy, Last time we were killing people, vandalizing, robbing, but now we are more happy. A lot of my gang members left us because they say I was not in the cause, but Mask Maripa and Sanitizer Shankar is the one who stayed with me. Now we are more happy, Anyways, the slashings you are getting to me was very hard. lah. I actually-
Slashing, sir.
Yeah. Hey, anyway, but the voice gave me a number, The number was 01243. Okay, wait. Yeah, this is the number. Hello, Kumar. Corona Kumar. What? Thambi, you better speak lah. This fellow speaking broken English apram.
Hello, sir. I've gotten your number from someone, and by the way, my name is Vinesh, sir. I believe you'll be able to help us in some way. We are stuck. We are in a situation right now in the hospital. There is a victim who just met an accident, and the hospital needs money for his operation. Can you help, sir? Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. My God, now I realize what's happening. The voice of God has stopped calling me because He wants us to work with each other without Him telling us. There is spark in everyone. So, we should serve all and work hand in hand with others to make this world a better place. He left us with numbers to get connected, but we can make this connection on our own. Now onwards, God does not need to give numbers.
The moral of our sketch today is basically working together to make this world a better place. Selfless service is perhaps the most single, efficient, and universal tool for understanding, experiencing, and expressing this divine principle of love. Service is love in action. Swami has also made it clear that the quality of service is most important, not quantity. The spirit or the motive behind service is the deciding factor. When we render service, we should feel that we are serving God. That is why he says, service to man is service to God. Service done in this manner makes us realize that service is done by God, to God, and for God. Swami also says, the best way to love God is to love all and serve all, because there is God in everyone. The question is, can you love all and serve all? The choice is yours now.
ओम जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्ति महेश्वरा ओम जय जगदीश हरे शशि बलराशि करा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आशित कल समस्त लोका सुखिनो